This video is about how you can start making money online with $0. Sometimes many persons feel like they need money to do most of the things online, but the truth is there are some things that you can do online that can make you money. I'm talking about somewhere between $1,000 to $1,500 or $2,000 or $2,500 or even more, depending on the task you're doing. So what I'm going to do in this video is to share 5 of them. And before I get started, make sure to like this video right now, subscribe to this channel, and let's get started. The first one on my list is called coinmarketcap. Now, this is one method I used to make money a lot during 2021 and 2022, but people are still making money from it, and let me show you right now. So when you go to coinmarketcap right here, what you're going to do is to come to this section here that says product and select learn and earn. So it's going to open up like this. You can see the previous learn and earn they did, like what is near, they talked about it, sand and many other ones here. Now what you basically do is to watch this video, learn about it, then you answer the questions. Now the people with the best answers to these questions get rewarded, but many times they pick randomly, so you might be lucky and sometimes you might not also be lucky. And you can simply make money off this learn and earn. I know some of you might be saying, but there's no current learn and earn to do yet so that you can do it and make money off it. Well, I found out that not all of them are actually done yet. Some of the tags on CoinMarketCap are not posted there. For example, if you go to Twitter and check out their Twitter page, you're going to see Litecoin VM early supporters, CMC, that's CoinMarketCap Quest is live. So for this, you need to complete these tasks, which is follow them, and there's around $2,000 that was splitted for 80 people, which might look very small, but there are sometimes when the reward is quite bigger. So this is simply what you're doing: follow them, follow, repost, explore, and that is basically it. So what you simply have to do is just click on the link. It's going to take you to that exact post, and you're going to see it on CoinMarketCap here. Okay, so it's asking you have found a diamond treasure box, so comment to get. So you can just click on comment, and you put in your comment here, and click on join and all of that, and you're basically in. Then you go ahead and do the task, which is enter your wallet here, follow Litecoin EVM. So you can just click on follow, then come back and verify it, repost, and explore this task right here, and that is basically it. Once that is completed, you can see you'll be able to complete it. I don't really need that amount of money, that's why I'm not doing it. But anyways, if you don't have so much and you're looking for money, I think it's a very good opportunity. Although if you look right here, there are so many persons, you can see so many engagement in this post, meaning a lot of persons have seen it. So what you can do is to try to be early, and best way you can do is to come over to CoinMarketCap, follow them, and keep their posts on notifications so that whenever they drop a post, you're going to see it as fast as possible. So this is how you can make money off CoinMarketCap and the Quest. The next way you can make money is simply from airdrops. Now I know for this particular one, a lot of persons are going to be saying airdrops have not been rewarding people, blah blah blah, and so many things like that. Yes, you're correct. But there was a particular period of time when airdrop was making us a lot of money. Talking about way back 2022, 2023, 2024. Like, I made insane money from airdrops in 2024. 2025, people made money. Like, there was a lot of money that was made, but I mean, some airdrops did not do well, but some also did well. Example is Magic Newton. I gave people, I think many of my friends got between $10,000 to $15,000 on Magic Newton. So airdrop are still doing. The only thing is, there's just, if there are like 100 airdrops, maybe like 2 or 3 are going to end up doing well, or like 4 or 5. But another thing I'm also suspecting is because of the current state of the market is really bad right now. And I think if we're getting to the bull market, at some point there would be good airdrops that are going to come out. So what you can do is to start positioning yourself, especially if you don't have so much money, you can start positioning for some of them, which I'm going to talk about. If you want to learn more about how you can do airdrops, it's simple. Come over to this website called CryptoRank, and over this section here, over product, and select drop hunting. Alright, so you're going to see a list of airdrops. You can see currently there are around 425 confirmed airdrop here, which you can basically do. I'm not saying you're going to do everything, but I mean, you can try out many of them. So I actually did a video on how you can use this, but let me show you a few things. So example, if you want to do an airdrop, if you want to pick an airdrop, for instance, you can see this first one here says you need to spend $15. Someone says you need to spend $3. Someone says you need to spend $0. So sometimes you might want to focus on the one that is $0, especially if you don't have capital. But if you have some capital to spare, I mean, extended could do a very good airdrop. I really don't know, but with what I'm seeing, they could do a good airdrop. There are some other ones here that could do, like variation that could do a very good airdrop, but look at the amount you need to do it. So if you don't have it, you can focus on the ones that are $0. But just click here and select testnet. Or it's still filtering, but you can see many of them here are $0. So you can focus on this one that are $0. and then leave these ones that you have to spend money on. Also, you can also change this and filter it by social, and you also see the ones that are also $0 too. The other ones too, like ambassador program, which many of the ambassador program are $0, so you can also participate in doing them. If you want to do them, it's very simple. Let's say you want to do this one, for instance, just click on it, and you're going to see the tax on what you need to do. So you can see they announced an early version of the app. We will be able to earn points for simple activity. The more points you earn, the better. So if you click on it, you're going to see the tweet where these guys talked about having this. So you can see the entry to robotics. So you can basically read more about it here. And what CryptoRank does is it shows you the steps on what you need to do. So the first step is go to this website, connect to the Solana wallet address. Second is you receive 1,000 points. Next, log in daily to get 10 points. And all of that. Now the next one, this is Galaxy Tag. So you can see they announced that they're giving out $2,500, but I mean, I don't know how many percentage are giving it out to, so it might look very, very small. And they're also giving out points also, so you can also try to do it. The next one here is connecting account, so you can also do this. This is also going to give you some points. Then they have the pre-ambassador program, so if you want to become ambassador, you can fill in the form and get that done. And then you can see regional ambassador. This one is actually closed, so you can basically see all of the steps of what you need to do right here. Easy peasy. Right now, let's go back to the previous page. So, and you can see the amount of money there is $11 million. So with this, you can basically pick any airdrop of your choice, do further research about them, and start up the airdrop. All of the steps are clearly stated. If you want to focus on airdrops that have been confirmed, just select the status and click on confirmed. I'm going to take off this ambassador so that it's going to show me more airdrops. So you can see these ones here are confirmed airdrop, and there are some that are $0. There are some that are $0, $1, $10, and the rest of that. So if you want to spend money, you can basically spend money to do some of them. I mean, it's going to you could be able to make money when some of these airdrops actually launch. And I've done a full video about this. If you want to check out the video, I'm going to leave a link to that in the description. Do well to follow up that video to find out how you can use it to do further research on airdrops to do. The next way to make money is through clipping. Now, clipping is basically when, let's say this video I'm posting right now, some persons can just come and clip key areas in this video, let's say 10 seconds, 20 seconds, 30 seconds, 1 minute or more, and then they post it on their social media platforms. That is basically what clipping is all about. There are so many platforms out there that are looking for people that to join their clipping agency, where you can join them to clip videos and then they get to pay you. Some persons make as much as $1 per 1,000 views. There are some, I think there was one guy was charging me $10 per 1,000 views. Although I didn't need their service, but they reached out to me that they had the community and they charge $1 per 1,000 views. So they are going to clip your video and then they are going to start posting. Depending on the amount of impression they get, you get to pay them based on that. So it all depends. There are still some that pay within $0.15, so for 1,000 views. So it depends on the clipping agency. So what you can do is to start joining some of these agencies and start clipping videos. Even if you don't have access to these agencies, you can still clip videos on your own and keep posting. The more you post, the more you get recognized on the timeline. I know some of you will be saying, but if I don't have so many followers on Twitter or YouTube or this thing, or TikTok, how do I get views and all of that? Well, the truth of the matter is, the way the algorithm works right now, it doesn't really care about how many followers you have, especially on Twitter. A very good example is one time I posted my video on YouTube and then some guys decided to clip it. Do you know that those guys, they clipped it and posted it on Twitter and TikTok? They got more views. I'm talking about 10 times more views than me, the owner of the video. I think some of them were getting like 100,000, 200,000 views per clip. And these guys had like 500 followers on Twitter. And I was surprised because my own video was getting, my own clip, because I clipped it also and posted on Twitter, I was getting somewhere around 30,000 views, but these guys are doing 300,000 views from that same clip. I was like, what is actually going on? So you don't need so many followers to actually get a lot of views. And they also replicated that on TikTok too. So you don't need so many followers to get insane amount of views from clipping. If what you posted is interesting, the algorithm will favor you and you should be able to make money from it. So I think this is a very good avenue you can start making money in 2026. And what I will encourage you to do is to explore more opportunities around clipping. The next way to make money online for free is through Twitter or TikTok monetization. So just like I talked about clipping, right? You can clip people's content and make insane views from it. That way, you could also it can also get monetized on each of these platforms, and you start making money right away. Very good example is Twitter. If you want to get monetized on Twitter, like and then Twitter will start paying you, I think every 2 weeks, you need to get somewhere around 500 to 1,000 followers, right? And then you also need to get 5 million impressions in 3 months before you get monetized. Once you have that, then you automatically then you get monetized on Twitter, and then you can start earning money from any views you actually get from your post. And I've basically shown you that it is very easy for you to get a lot of impressions just by clipping. Another way people use is comment. So I'm going to show you a very good example. If you're looking to get so many impressions, what you're going to do is to focus on accounts that has a lot of views. This one does not have a lot of views, but I'm just going to pick, and let me just give another example with, let's say, Water Guru, for instance. Okay, so I'm not saying this is the best example, but I mean, these guys, they get like 600,000 views. So they're like people that get millions of views. That's the people you're going to focus on. What you're going to simply do is you're going to follow them and turn on notification. Now, anytime they drop a post, you should be among the first group of people that would comment, and make sure you're commenting something reasonable. That way you'll get a lot of persons that will view your stuff. I'm going to show you some of the comments. Like, look at this comment here. He got 2.5k views. Look at this one, 900. So they are not so much, but I've seen comments in a particular post where they get up to 500,000 views. So what you can basically do is to target those kind of creators that has insane amount of views in their post, and then you can start commenting very fast. Make sure you're commenting what is reasonable, so that the algorithm is going to capture that, okay, you're making sense, and then you should be able to get a lot of impression from it. So how I got to find out about this was from my friend. He had around 1,000 followers on Twitter, but he told me he was monetized. I was like, how did you do it? Because even me, I'm not monetized, because I really don't care about this comment and some of these things. Like, I don't know how much am I looking to make off this, but I mean, he was very determined to make money off it, and then he was always commenting on people's posts. Before you know it, he got monetized. So it's a very good strategy you can use to get a lot of impressions, and so that you could actually get monetized on Twitter. For TikTok, they don't pay Nigerians and some of the African countries. So you want to explore creating a UK account or something. And I think the process is very, very easy. You can just search it up on the internet on how you can create a UK account. You don't have to pay any person to do it. Just go ahead and search for it. And once you have it, you can start making your posts. If your posts are going viral, I think you need to get to 1,000 or 10,000 followers. I can't remember, 1,000 or thereabouts, before they start paying you. So we just have to explore some of these things and just be consistent with it. The moment you post and then your videos are getting a lot of engagement, and make sure your videos are like 1 minute upward, that is the only way TikTok is going to pay you. And I have people, like close people, that make somewhere around $2,000 from TikTok. What they focus mainly on is I think football content. So they clip football videos and stuff like that and post it, and they make money off it. So it doesn't have to be football. It could be other popular stuffs. It could be other things. It could just be clipping crypto content. You could also make a lot of views from it. So you can try it out and make money off it in 2026. The final way to make money is YouTube automation. I know this has been going viral, but I mean, I'm not going to dwell so much on this, because if you understand Twitter and TikTok, you should also be able to apply it on YouTube. So YouTube automation not necessarily doesn't have to show your face, just like I'm doing right here. You could decide to use AI videos and the rest of that to generate videos for yourself, get scripts and AI voiceover and the rest of that, and post the video, and you can get monetized, and you can start up YouTube automation. There are so many resources on YouTube automation. I will encourage you to check them out on how it actually works and how you can start doing them. But it's a very good source. You can start making money for yourself without investing so much. So this is basically all of it about this video. I really hope you've learned from it, and if you did, make sure to give this video a like and subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.